Verbena bonariensis. Common names are purple top and Argentinian vervain. This plant is originally from South America, but it's now found all over the world. In fact, this particular plant you're looking at now, of Verbena bonariensis, was found growing in Kenya. It's a fairly hardy perennial and it can grow up to 2 meters high, but it's got quite a narrow spread of up to no more than ½ a meter wide. I think the gardening term for a plant that grows in that manner is columnar or columnar. I was never very good at pronouncing stuff. It has clusters of small pinky purple flowers, and in the UK it flowers in summer through to autumn. The long narrow leaves are fairly sparse, coming off the erect stems. To grow, it prefers full sun and doesn't mind being exposed to a bit of wind if it's in a west or south facing position. It handles moist but well draining soil and copes with chalk, loam, sandy or clay soils. Nor is it too fussy about which pH type your soil is. You can propagate from seed easily enough in spring with a little bit of warmth, and if you don't cut off the dead flower heads in the autumn or winter, it will self-seed. If you don't want it to self-seed, cut down the dead foliage in winter before the new growth comes in the spring. For best visual effect, try dotting around single plants into a mixed border and see how they stand up proud and purple. Here's a lovely heart-shaped leaf on a plant which, as yet, I've not been able to find out the name of. Speaking of heart shapes, if you liked this video, why not give it a thumbs up, or better still, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.